Hi, I'm Michael with OHR. Here's some key specs on the AS1932E. All right, we're going to review today the Pettibone AS1932E. It's a great little unit. She's yellow, which is great. When you're looking at the scope of blues and reds and orange, it's easy to find. You don't have to spray paint your unit or put tape on it to find it. Super nice. Some great things I like about this unit. It's easy to maintain. Got your hours right here. Emergency stop. Fluid levels. Hydraulic oil. Your filter. Your motor. Your pump. And your controller. Very straightforward. All in a nice, compact, tidy unit. It's got full-size wheels, unlike some units that will have 8-inch wheels. These are quite large. Nice, rolling. It doesn't have much resistance, so it's pretty fast. It's very smooth, very quiet. On the front here, you'll notice, because of the larger wheels, we have torque hubs and electric drive with disc brakes. Super nice. No hydraulic, all electric there. I like the way that this extension cab comes right out. What you could do with one hand. It's so nice. Push down. Also, these rails will fold down right here at 72 inches, unlike other orange units at 79. So that means it'll fit in shorter doorways or elevators or wherever you're going to be reaching for conduit or hanging a picture, whatever it may be. On this side here, we have the battery compartment, super easy to get to. 4 6-volt batteries, deep cycle, and a charger, very easy to maintain if something were to go wrong. Super light, they're not heavy, you could close with a finger. Some things I wish they would do a little better in. I think it's a good unit, but it's noisy. Quite noisy on the bumps. But she's fast, she's smooth, very reliable, very serviceable. Overall value, I give it a 4. Thank you.